Hello everyone, welcome to the first of your Academy Chemistry Club podcast. Last week, we posed a challenge question. Where vibranium would be on the periodic table? Before we start, we want to thank everybody who contributes to our discussion. So first, I'll pull up the periodic table. Vibranium is a fictional element in the Marvel Comics and Marvel Cinematic Universe. The Marvel Studio gave us a little hint. Well, I won't call it a hint. In Spider-Man Homecoming, our genius Peter Parker relates vibranium with strontium and barium. It might be indicating that vibranium might be an alkaline earth metal. Well, right now, let's throw that idea away. According to the existing evidence from movies and chemistry facts, Chem Club has come up with a possible place for element vibranium. Vibranium is believed to be able to absorb and release kinetic energy by the owner's well, which means the element can store kinetic energy in the form of potential energy. One possible explanation is that the bonds between atoms stores energy and acts like springs. So what does it mean to be like springs? Let me show you. For example, there's two vibranium atoms, and between them is the bond. So when there is external force, the external kinetic energy will be transformed into the potential energy, and the bond between two atoms will act basically like a spring and store the potential energy and release it when the owner wants to. In order to maximize the energy it stores, there needs to be a lot of empty space between the atoms for the structure to be the most compressible. We hypothesize that vibranium will have a simple cubic crystal structure. The 50% empty space in a simple cubic packing will make simple cubic model a great model for vibranium since it is believed to be a light-weighted metal. The only known element that has a simple cubic packing is polonium. As polonium is the first metal in its group to have such property, it is reasonable to believe that vibranium can belong to that group as well and have similar property. The place will also satisfy the radioactive property of vibranium as it is a strong mutagen and releases tremendous amount of energy. As you can see in the picture, all the elements in the black box are radioactive. As a result, as long as vibranium is at or below period 8, it will be radioactive. Chem Club's answer for this challenging question will be in group 6A under vibranium. Let's go back to Peter Parker. It is very improbable that vibranium will be a part of the alkaline earth metals. As we all know that vibranium is a very stable element, so there is very little possibility that vibranium will be in the same group with strontium and barium, which is very reactive with oxygen and water.